Hi everyone, Namaskaram. So today I'm going to talk about a very simple practice that can be learned online, and it's a great practice for you to strengthen and keep your spine healthy. So this practice is known as Yoga Namaskar. Now what happens with age, as we tend to age, what happens is that our spine, the different columns of the spine tend to telescope into each other. So they'll sort of collapse, and this can lead to pinching of the nerves, and which can cause a great amount of pain and discomfort to people. So you would have noticed that a lot of people, as they start aging, they develop a lot of back problems. Now one of the simplest practices that you can do to strengthen your spine is known as Yoga Namaskar, and this is one of the practices that can be taught online. So in a previous video I had shared the Yoga practices, which can be learnt online and practiced in the comfort of your homes without actually requiring you to be supervised or taught by a qualified Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. Yoga Namaskar can also be learnt in the comfort of your home. You can learn it online during the lockdown. You do not have to, you don't need a teacher to supervise you for this. Now the practice of Yoga Namaskar is a series of 7 steps, and this entire video is demonstrated online. There are corrections. It's completely, it's very comprehensively explained in great detail, and it's a very simple practice that you can include in your daily schedule. It does not take more than, say, about 8 to 12 minutes to do the practice of Yoga Namaskar. And within a few days of practicing, you will notice that there's a significant improvement in your spinal health. So your spine will feel stronger and more robust. So I hope you'll be learning the practice of Yoga Namaskar. I'll be sharing the online link to learn Yoga Namaskar. And I hope you will learn this and reap the benefits from the practice. Thank you so much. Namaskaram.